In this video of how to guide, let me show you how to create a wish list on Amazon. Whether you're trying to send this wish list to someone else or trying to create it for yourself, in this video let me show you the process of it. This is going to be a short and easy video, so make sure you stick till the end. Let's head over to the Amazon app. Now to create your wish list, tap on the human icon on the bottom. From this section of your Amazon account, you'll see 4 options on the top. Head over to your list. And through this section, if you had created any list, it would be visible. But to create a new wish list, tap on create a list. And you can name this list anything you want. For now, I'm going to set it as default, which is shopping list, and tap on create list. Now once this list has been created, you can manage a couple of settings, such as you can invite other people to view or even edit this list. Tap on invite, and you can make this as view only or view and edit. Next, if you tap on the 3 dots on the top right, here are a few options that you can manage as well. If you want your list to show only on purchased items, you can do that, or if you want any other options, you can take a look at this and select the option that you need. Now, in order to add items to your list, you just need to head over to the item that you're trying to add it. Select the product, and once you're inside of the product, you'll see an option called add to list beneath add to cart. So you can just tap on add to list and select the list that you just created, or you can also create a new list from this section, but I'm just going to tap on the shopping list, and the product will be added to the shopping list, and it shows the view list as well. So you can tap on view list, and it's going to show you the list of items that you've added in. Similarly, you can add in as many products as you want. Just tap on add to list and tap on the list that you created. So that is the way that you can create a wish list on Amazon. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.